Cool. So
it doesn't count. I wasn't here.
Small Fairy told me you're gonna play us one more song, Les.
Haven't prepared anything.
What you got in the bag, boy?
Come on, just give us that.
But I can do like a.
Give us that cover you did at the what was that show we were at?
Yeah.
It was
something in Pretoria.
It was
Barcelona.
Barcelona. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, here it goes. Ooh.
Oh, thank you.
Woo! Yeah, that's guys, that's it.
Number one hit.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Singer in the smoky room, the smell of wine and cheap perfume. Folks smile, they could share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers are waiting up and down the boulevard. Their shadows are searching in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Strangers and people go on. And don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Strangers, people go on and on and on and on.
I just pop up and woo! Nice. Very, thank you very much. Thank you, kind sir. Yes, with the thank yous. We come with the thank yous and the appreciation. Thank you so much. Nice. Thank you, folks, for joining us today. That was Tulsa and Les from Evolver One. Unfortunately, Sean couldn't be with us. Anything you'd like to say? Random comments? We just shout stuff into the microphone generally.
Thanks, Sean.
Yeah, exactly.
Shot Sean.
Next gig.
Yeah, we come and see us. We in where are we? Lickieburg on the 13th of September.
Cool. Where's that?
It's in Midrand.
Cool.
It's easy to find. It's a great venue.
Nice.
So come out to that. Then I believe we are here in
30th.
October, eh?
30th
Yeah.
of September, yeah.
30 September.
It's a
Right.
Monday
Yes.
night.
Yeah.
So
Prosound.
take it easy on the weekend and then stuff up your week for work. It's generally what I do all the time. Yay!
Are we going to be Monday? Are we going to be broadcasting that live?
We are going to, just because we're such heroes, man.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
I don't know if you've ever seen that show, Heroes. They made it after me. It's a true life story. Yeah. Nice.
You're a
Sweet.
little Chinese dude there.
That's right. I am a Chinese guy. Very, very well done. Cool. So thanks for joining us, guys. We really appreciate it. It's for our first fully functional live act to join us in studio.
Thanks, guys.
It's a pretty goddamn good one, if you ask me.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Great. Cool. Let's do it again.
Cool. So we're going to be good boys and we're going to gather some more music from Evolve 1 at some stage. We will let you know more about their live gig coming up on the 30th of September, which is the Monday. And otherwise, yes, catch us next week, Wednesday, www.wiredsoundstudios.co.za. If you want to send us tunes, info@wiredsoundstudios.co.za, or you can get all this information at our website. Google us. We're on the #1 hit ratio scheme. It's
amazing.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
And speaking of websites, if you want to download a free song, just go to our website, evolve1.com.
What's free?
And we are giving away
What's free?
a brand new track.
Oh,
So-
one of your new ones
Yeah,
off
yeah.
the album. Which one?
Which one is it? Leo?
It's Broken
I think
Wing.
it's
Broken Wing. Okay,
And
right
giving away
on.
an older one as well. Are we listening?
Yeah.
So
So
I'm going to be sending you an email asking for the whole arm at some stage.
you can have it.
All right.
You heard that loud.
Right. Thanks, you guys. We highly appreciate it.
thanks very much.
Thanks.
Thank you.
We'll catch you later, yeah?
Thank you guys.
Cue music.
Wired Sound Studios.